First, there was only the invisible, but still discernible. For example, when we see space, by seeing each other or objects in the distance, we are seeing space. It is being shown to us its concentrated value that never left from all parts of itself. All exceptions and exception nature are in demonstration of it. Then there was the heartbeat of Allah. In white light, black darkness became the complete identity of time for the first time. In that invisible, but still discernible, body of volume clear forever was its parent, Romulus.